Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of verifying your domain in Google Workspace. If you're ready, let's get started. Visit workspace.google.com. Log into your Google Workspace admin panel. If you receive the Verify Domain notification, click the Verify Domain button. Alternatively, navigate to the Account tab in your dashboard. Click on Domains. Select Manage Domains. Click on Add a Domain. Enter your domain name. Then click Add Domain and start verification. Click Next. Copy the verification code provided. Now go to Namecheap.com, click the Sign In button, log into your Namecheap account. Navigate to the Domain List tab. Next to your domain, click the Manage button. Go to the Advanced DNS tab, scroll down to the Host Records section, and click Add New Record. Select the type as TXT record. For the host, type @ Paste the copied verification code into the value field. Leave the TTL on default and click Save Changes. Return to Google Workspace and click Protect Domain or Verify Domain. Be patient. The verification process may take up to 12 hours to work correctly. If everything is set up correctly, your domain will be successfully verified. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. Please comment below with your opinion, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials to boost your online knowledge. If you need any help related to the website, you can hire a professional now. The link is in the description below this video.